Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook leg quarters. First, ensure your leg quarters are patted completely dry with paper towels to get that crispy skin. Then, generously season all sides with your favorite blend of salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and paprika, pressing it gently into the skin. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, preparing for a perfectly roasted meal. Place the seasoned leg quarters on a rack in a roasting pan, skin side up, ensuring they have enough space. Roast them for about 40 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 175 degrees Fahrenheit at the thickest part. If the skin isn't quite crispy, you can briefly broil them for 2 to 3 minutes, keeping a close watch. This method ensures deeply cooked, tender meat every time. Consider enhancing your leg quarters with a quick glaze for an extra layer of flavor. Whisk together 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 1 crushed garlic clove for a simple, sweet, and savory coating. Brush this mixture on the chicken during the final 10 minutes of cooking, allowing it to caramelize beautifully. You will love how this simple addition elevates your dish. Once your leg quarters are perfectly cooked, remove them from the oven and transfer them to a clean cutting board or platter. Allow them to rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes before serving. This crucial step redistributes the juices, ensuring incredibly tender and moist meat. Serve them alongside roasted vegetables or a fresh salad for a complete and satisfying meal. Enjoy your delicious, homemade leg quarters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.